What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix apps not compatible on your iPad and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see, if I go to the App Store, if I try to download Netflix over here, as you can see, it says it requires iOS 18 or later, so then only I'll be able to download this. Right? And also the most important thing, there are some reasons why Apple is blocking, because your iPad is on the lower versions. Like if I go to the settings, you can see this over here at the top. That iPad I'm using right now is iPad 6th generation, and the software version over here that iPad OS is running on 15.2.1. So that is the reason why this is happening. So in order to fix this, what we need to do is we have to try. There is only one solution that's going to work 100%, and what you need to do is, what I'm trying to do is I just need to use my iPhone over here. As you can see, this is my iPhone. And this is the only thing that you need to take care of is either make sure this is a latest model flagship or the latest model, or make sure that it is compatible with the latest iOS as well. Once you're done with this one, what you need to do is you have to go to the settings. Then over here, as you can see, make sure that is signed with the same Apple ID of the iPad over here to this phone. As you can see, this is the Apple ID that I'm using on the iPad, and the same Apple ID I'm using over here on my iPhone as well. Now what I need to do is I just need to go over here after signing in, just go to the App Store, and what I need to do is I just need to search for the app. So I have already tried, you need to try with the Netflix over here for an example. Then what you need to do is you have to click on the download icon over here. So right now, as you can see on my iPhone over here, the Netflix is getting downloaded without an issue. So there will not be an issue, it's downloaded so fast. And once it's done with this, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, click on your App Store. Then what you need to do is, as you can see, it will load up. Now what you need to do is you have to click on the top right over here, just click on the profile icon over here. That's going to take you to this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to click on purchased over here. So right now, as you can see, what you need to do is you have to go over here in the search. Now over here in the search, you have to type here for Netflix, right? You have to click on the Netflix here and click on the download icon over here. So right now it says download an older version of this app, which says this is a current version, require iOS 18 or later, but you can download the last compatible version. Just go for the download over here. And right now, as you can see, the Netflix will be downloaded on your iPad without having any kind of an issue. Once done, just open it and bingo, we are done with this. So this is how we can fix the issue if you're having the trouble with this one, and this is only one solution that's going to work for you definitely. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.